Hello everyone. In the continuation, we have another method over here that is called as the index of method. That means we have to tell, if I will just say 10. So what is the index of 10 element? Okay, so we have to mention that. Similarly, if I am inputting 80, what is the index of the element of this node in short? If I am putting 20, then what is the index of this node? It will return me 0, right? And likewise it will return me the values. So what we will do now, we will simply take, because we have to match up the data, right? So by the user, it will enter us some data like 10, 20 or whatever. So we will take a temporary node and we will start pointing it to the head node. And we will check, while temp is not equal to null, we will proceed further and we will move on to the next node. And by the time, we will also take a counter in order to count how many times have we iterated and up to which node we have to reach, right? And for example, if here we are at the first node, we will match if temp.data is equal to the given data, we will return the count. See, initially the count value will be what? 0. When we are visiting this node, it means I will say if temp.data is equal to the given data, that will count up to yes. So we will return the count value. Here the count value was what? 0. Now assume the inputted data has been told us is 10. Because temp.data is not equal to the given data, we will move on to the next iteration, right? And we will move on to the next node. Simple. Now the temp node will become this. So now it will match up. Temp.data is equal to the given data. Yes, 10 and 10 are matching. Now we will return the counter value. Here the counter value has been increased up to 1, correct? So it will return us 1, indicating the index of the element. Hope you guys understand the logical part. Let us now move on to the coding section. So over here I will be creating and writing a method int my index of, and we are providing it the data, and the data will be of t type because we are already working with this. If we haven't find out the element, I will simply tell it to return -1. That is very simple. Now what I will do, I will take the node, a temporary node, as we were already going on with the same procedure, and I will point it to head, right? I will take another variable as counter variable and I will initialize it to 0. I have already discussed why we are taking this temp count variable, and I will write if temp is not equal to null, and I will write the condition if temp.data is equal to the given data. Simply do what? Simply return the value of count, right? And if it has not been met, what we are going to do? We will simply write move it on to the next level and also increase the counter. Very simple it is, right? Let us now check it out over here. So what I have to do? Yes, I will simply write linked list dot my index of, I want to find out the index of 20. What is the answer? 1, correct? I want to find out the index of 50. What is the output? 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how we are going to find out the index of the given data. Hope you guys have understood the concept. Thank you very much.